Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the Melissa and Doug wooden doorbell house. So if you want this Melissa and Doug wooden doorbell house, you can buy it on Amazon or the Hudson's Bay or Value Village. Okay, so on Amazon you search Melissa and Doug wooden doorbell house and then find the one which you like. Okay, so this takes 2 AAA batteries, and so it says 2 AAA batteries over here. You see there's 2 AAA batteries over here. This is the one, and this is where you put the battery, and this is the speaker for the doorbell. So as you see it, and this. And this, and this. So, now I'm going to show you the doors. Doors number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So, and remember I made a video yesterday. I made a video yesterday about Melissa and Doug wooden doorbell house, but I want to make another one again, but this time I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay? So if you guys don't know about this, or it's your first time using this, you better watch this video. So let's get started. So now you want to take this man, you know why? Because you see, look at his pants and shirt. It matches the color of the door, so we have to match the color, right? So, and let's ring the doorbell. So all of these doorbells will sound different. Now you want to take the number 1 key. Now let's lock the door. Now let's go to door number 2. Ring the doorbell. You want to get door number 2. You want to get the number 2 key. It looks like this. You see in the word number 2. See? Okay, let's do this now. Lock the door, and let's go to door number 3. Now let's ring the doorbell. I'm using the 3 key. Use the 4 key. Okay, let's put them inside. Let's put them back outside. So, you want to ring the doorbell. And then I'm gonna use the one key. So let's go ahead for it. So I have this guy. Okay. Let's get number 2 key over here. I got this man. You see his outfit? But the pants looks the same color, you see, as you see. You see that? So, yeah, let's close the door and lock it. So, now, let's lock the door. Okay, let's go to door number 3. Now, let's go ring the doorbell. And let's go get the number 3 key. So, this might be like a little bit tricky for kids. So, yeah, if it's tricky to you, then you can actually repeat this video or watch other videos. Okay, so I'm gonna lock it. Okay. Now, let's go buy it. Okay, let's go get this key, the number 4 key. Now, I already got her, so this is her. And I see her outfit. Okay. So, now here, I hope you had fun doing this Melissa and Doug Win doorbell house.